Right here on Drive Time on Joy 99.7 FM. I love me some R2Bs. I'm sure you do too. I know how your weekend is going. I mean, how you planning this weekend? What are you doing? Are you going on a road trip or something of the sort? Are you planning some girls outing somewhere, going to Ada this weekend? But don't forget your MasterCard. Yeah, pack those bags and hit the road. Book the rooms easily with MasterCard. Just a tap or scan and you're checked in. This weekend there's soft girl life, you know what I mean? You gotta live it, You can book your treat at the spa, unlimited cocktails at the pool, and probably eat the chef's best show. Just make sure you tick everything off your bucket list. But with MasterCard, you don't need to worry about carrying plenty cash around. Simply tap, insert, or scan to pay as you go. Smooth, safe, and stress-free. MasterCard. Freedom to enjoy a priceless girls getaway.
Drive time on Joy. Lexis Bill.
Well, next week, it's all happening inside Gumwa. Yeah. Get ready as the busy team led by Honorable Kwame Asarabing A+, in partnership with Joy Entertainment, Image Bureau, Event Factory, Carbon AV, and Bull House Entertainment unleash the biggest carnival experience ever to hit the central region, the Gumwa Easter Carnival. Yeah, come and experience 4 consecutive days of fire, nights of party, music, food, drinks, non-stop entertainment from April 2nd to April 5th at the Gumwa Ekwam Krum. On day 1, the welcome night with a relaxed barbecue and bonfire at the Crown Forest Hotel. On Friday, the grand opening in the food bazaar featuring an evening high life party with Kwabena Furian Ponsa, Kwame Eugene, Samini, and more. Day 3 and 4, Saturday and Sunday. Brace up for the biggest street anthems, art exhibitions, the Grand Debut of Chiefs, a masquerade party, and music concerts with Sarkodie, Shatawale, Kofi Kinata, Amrado, and a crowd you don't want to miss. Bring your squad, bring your energy, because Gumwa Ekwam Krum is about to shut down this Easter. Yeah, you don't just hear about it. You have to experience it. Proudly brought to you by Hot Wave Phones with support from the Ghana Tourism Authority. Empowered by Joy Entertainment. The Gumwa Easter Carnival. Easter just got louder. Well, I told you earlier I'll be spending time with my team from Ghana's #1 services app, Bako Services, baby. Ayuda. And guess who joins me this afternoon? Bernadette Jacqueline Briefo. Hello, Bernadette.
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm so well. So happy to see
you're glowing,
you.
I can tell.
well, just living it.
I can see that our Muslim brothers' holidays really helped you.
Look, it did help me because, I went out there to chill somewhere.
I saw you at Aqua Safari.
Oh, girl.
We couldn't go, but that's another discussion.
Should I tell you about it?
I want to know.
because I was actually looking out for you guys. You know what I mean? Because it was all made possible by Ayuda.
I know, right?
Then I was looking out for Bernadette. Bernadette is not there. Where is Social? Where's my guy? Where's Ben Soriano? I say, here?
We're missing in action.
So, listen, I had fun for 4.
We understand. We totally understand.
But anyway, today let's get to talk about the Ayuda app for the uninitiated. They want to know about the Ayuda app. How exactly does it work? Let's get to know a bit more.
Okay, so hello to the listeners, those on the drive, those at home, those in their offices. So Ayuda, and the word itself is mean help, and it's essentially a digital platform that connects people that need certain services to the people that have the skills to render those services.
Right.
So Lexis, you know how back in the day, if your ceiling fan broke down or if you had a plumbing issue, you would call somebody who knows somebody to call someone, or better still, just stand by the roadside and wait for a technician. Ayuda dismisses that stress totally, because right on the app you can find qualified and certified service providers right on your phone. Whether you need a carpenter from East Legon, a plumber from Kumasi, or a mason from Tamale, you can get it right on your fingertips on the phone.
Wow.
Yes.
This is so innovative.
Yeah, and it's even tech savvy. We have designed the app in a way that those who are not even techish can still use it. All that you need to have is a smartphone, and you download the app. and just go through the service levels, which is as a customer or a service provider. Yes. So if you're coming on board as a customer, you can choose to register in the Ayuda Premium or the Ayuda Flex. So yes, and then you just navigate your way through.
Very easy to navigate, huh?
Very easy to navigate.
Very user friendly.
Very user friendly.
Okay, so how do you ensure the quality of the skilled workers or the professionals on this app?
Okay, that's a very important question. And we know the kind of environment that we are in. As Ghanaians, we cannot just trust just anyone to come to our homes, because we'll ask ourselves, can these people be trusted? Are they reliable? So trust is something that is very important to us. And every service provider that has made it onto the app goes through a very rigorous process.
Okay.
Yes. Up to right now, I think most of our verified service providers are about 25% to 30%, because not a lot of them are able to go through that process of completing it. So we make sure that they have what we call the rating and then review section.
Okay.
That means every work that is done and completed is trailed. So the customer knows what is going on, and then we have history on that as well. And if anything should go south, customer service support is there.
Okay.
And then you, the customer, can reach out to us, and then we'll take full responsibility. So we are not leaving you stranded.
Yeah.
We are giving you a guarantee that we are there for you.
No, this is totally great. I'm actually wondering, I'm sure this is not just for the users. There are also a lot of service providers who are listening now. Probably they have some craft, they are tilers, they are carpenters, and can they also get on the app, and really, what are the benefits for them?
Okay, so service providers are actually welcome, because first of all, if aside from the customers, we have them in mind, because they are the ones that make our homes very safe. They are the ones that prepare our foods and do other major things for us. So coming on as a service provider, you go through that same process, first downloading the app, then registering as a service provider, but then it's a journey. Yes, you have to go through some psychometric tests so that we know that when we take you to a customer's house, you can have basic conversations with the customer. You also take a skill test so that we assess the skill that you say you have, because you can't tell us that you're a plumber and we ask you questions and you don't know. So we'll have to test you on that, and then once you pass through that stage, we take you through our final onboarding and then verification. And then the benefits are many, because for now, people who are not on the app, they survive by word of mouth or referrals. But then on the app, you get visibility. Yes, you have a wider range of audience where you can get more jobs. And there's consistency, because the more jobs that are coming equals to more income. And there's reliability, because Ayuda is telling you that we verified you, we know you, so customers can trust you, and then that means that you are reliable. So you get all these. If not this, then what?
There you go. Listen, that's why we say Ayuda no de Abako services no de be. There you go. So whether you're a service provider or you actually just want convenience, I mean, I was actually going to ask you that it looks like Ayuda is solving a lot of problems, but from your perspective, what is the main problem Ayuda is solving?
Okay, so that is very important as well. So we are solving two major problems here. One is the customer that has frustrations of finding a skilled worker to do something for them. And on the other hand, we have the skilled worker that does not have the platform to exhibit what they can do. So then we see that there is a gap, and we are bridging that gap.
That's great.
Yes.
Good stuff. Well, if you're listening in, it's a good time to download the Ayuda app from the App Store, the Google Play Store. It's free, fast, and easy to use as well. For those who want to reach out to you guys, how do they do that?
Okay, so they can find us on all of our socials. We are on TikTok, Ayuda, AYUDA_app. You can find us on Instagram as well with the same name, Ayuda, AYUDA_app. And then we are on X. And then you can also follow our website at ayuda.info.com.
All right, there you go. Listen, check it out, Ayuda. Download it now. If you don't have it on your phone, you will need it. Yes, go onto the App Store, the Play Store, and type in AYUDA, and that's it. You're good to go. And your socials are also buzzing. Look, I saw you guys doing the sticker challenge.
Right, yes.
And
we are doing everything.
yours was terrible, by the way.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I mean,
no, I had the look like this. No, like the gun to the head.
It wasn't to the head. You go and look at the picture well. You didn't do it well. You didn't show the picture well.
I should bring social media here so that she involves you. Yeah, she has to come here so that she involves you in it.
Please shout outs to Sabinus. Sabinus was my favorite guy.
Oh my God, that was wise.
Wise, the guys going out to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So look, I'm excited about what you guys are doing. A lot of people are talking about how they're benefiting from the app and making life a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yes, the services with the number one services app, Ayuda App Services Bebre. Thank you so much for coming through,
Thank you
Bernadette.
so much,
Yeah?
Lexis. And we'll be coming to your end very soon. Yeah.
Is it?
Yes. House renovation.
Yeah,
Anything you want, yes.
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
give you
yeah.
a personal discount.
Yeah.
Don't let boss hear, please.
I like the sound of that. Thank you so
Sure.
much. Thank you so much, Bernadette. Jacqueline Briefo is with Ayuda, and so get the app on your phone right now. Stay tuned in to Joy 99.7 FM. This is Drive Time with Lexis Bill.